This Seasons Realty LLC property video is presented by the Bracher Team. What a location! Just blocks from the Sanibel Outlets and just a mile or two to the Sanibel Bridge, this very nice 2-bedroom, 2-bath manufactured home with laundry room is waiting for you. New paint outside, new paint inside, new AC 2017 flooring in the living room, kitchen, and hallway, 2 years old master bath, new toilet, and new vanity large kitchen with wall oven. Hurry, these do not come up that often. For more information, review the details below or contact the Bracher Team at 239-910-0669.